Today's video is going to be on using the manual pen cutter tool and how I use it in color pencil work. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy and I'm the artist from Peggy Kovac's Fine Art. This is a Slice Tool pen cutter tool. I'm drawing on graphics drafting film and it can sure take a beating. Let's see, because the lion's hair is really curly and kinky, I'm making all these weird little kinky lines. Let's see, then as you get these areas scratched in, you come in with your darker color and kind of pick out spots. Pick out areas that you want to increase the depth and add more interest. And then I'm going to scrape out some. So see how that worked? I made a little bit darker right there, and then I brought in a highlight over the top of the darkness. If you want to see a more in-depth video of how I drew the lion's mane, click here.